How to delete archived stories on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily delete all of your archived stories on Instagram. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let us jump right in. First thing first, you can just open up your Instagram app and make sure that you're logged in. And once you do that, just head over to your home tab. Now tap on your profile icon, and then from here you're just going to tap on settings and activity to open up your settings. And then here you'll see your option for archive. Tap on it, and if you are on post archives or live archives, you are going to select story archives, and here you'll be able to see all of your previous stories that you've posted. So all you need to do now is select the story that you want to delete. As you know, Instagram saves your story as memories for future, so if you don't want it to be there, you can just tap on this more option and then tap on delete. It will be permanently deleted after 30 days. So that's how you delete your archive stories on Instagram. But it does not yet have an option to delete all of the stories at once, but if Instagram brings out this feature in the near future, we'll be the first one to let you know, so be sure to be subscribed to the channel. Now, that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.